solid endurance track to finish our training today. I want you to answer the call of the bass and the drums and show no mercy to these targets. Move your body side to side. Got a couple surprises in this one to help you finish your workout strong. Be ready for anything. I want your muscles in your upper back and your arms to tear through that t-shirt the next time you put it on. And you don't even gotta flex.
Watch your tongue or have it cut from your head. Save your life by keeping whispers unsaid. Children roam the streets.
Stay relaxed.
Bodies hanging in the
Soft knees.
oil flames will call the pounding chaos.
Beautiful repeat strikes on that single arm.
To the night,
So much power in those single arm strikes right here.
in the town with armor. Make up the take all your rights. Out of the king. Out of the world. Out of the crowd.
We brace and we move.
Out of the sun. Out of the king.
Reaching across the body, deep bend in that right leg.
Blood is spilled while holding keys to the throne. Born again, but it's too late to atone.
Now the challenge of this track, besides the choreography and those surprises I talked about, is the length.
Sleep and learn the price to be paid. Let the water flow with shade to red now.
You gotta find a way to breathe through the hard.
All the light.
This is what helps us build our endurance.
Death is riding in the town with armor. They come to grant you your rights. Out of the king. Out of the world. Kneel to the crowd.
You know it. We can kneel. We can crawl. We can stand tall, but we don't ever give up.
Out of the king.
Surprise number one, baby. Come on. Don't look at it. Feel it. Connect to it. Hail to the upper body, baby. Hail to the power of the shoulders. Make yourself taller here. And don't you dare look down. We're not going that way.
There's a taste of fear when the henchmen call. Iron fist to tame them. Iron fist to claim it all.
Taste the fear.
Out of the king,
Spit it out. And let's rock this finish.
out of the world. Kneel to the crowd. Stand in the sun.
Dig deep. Where's that power coming from?
Out of the king. Out of the world.
Show up with everything you got right here.
Stand in the sun. Out of the king.
Come on. Last push. Way to rock that workout start to finish. I am so proud of your efforts. Press those shoulders back for me and join me in the cool down when you're ready.